Have you ever wondered how to make real money as a broke student? I'm talking about $10,000 per month while juggling classes, exams, and trying to live your best life. Imagine what your life could look like if you didn't have to worry about scraping by or taking out loans that would haunt you for years. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can achieve that. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a proven strategy that could change your life. And here's the kicker. You don't need a ton of money, connections, or some fancy degree to get started. All you need is a willingness to take action. Wait, before you skip to another video, ask yourself this. Are you ready to unlock the next level of your life? Because this is how you do it, starting right now. Right now, you're probably feeling the weight of being a student. Deadlines, textbooks, tuition, and trying to stretch every dollar. It's stressful. You see people on Instagram living their best lives, but here you are, hustling just to make it through the month. But what if I tell you that being broke isn't a life sentence? It's simply where you're starting from. And the good news is, starting from the bottom can be the most powerful motivator. Here's the harsh truth. If you don't take control now, you'll graduate with debt, scrambling for jobs, and stuck in the same financial struggles. The window to act is closing fast. But let's shift gears. What if I tell you that you have the potential to flip the script? Starting today, I'm about to show you how. Here's where things get exciting. You're going to harness the power of the digital economy, something that's exploding right now. You're not going to trade your time for money by taking on yet another part-time job. No, we're talking about scalable income. Income that keeps coming in, whether you're studying for finals or chilling with your friends. This is about building a system that works for you, even while you sleep. Now, let's break it down. Here are 3 key strategies you need to follow to start making $10,000 a month. Freelancing high-demand skills. Start with what you already have, your skills. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr are gold mines if you know what you're doing. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or video editing, you can monetize your skills today. And if you feel like you don't have the right skills, there are free resources out there that can teach you everything you need in weeks, not years. Imagine getting paid $500 to $1,000 for a project, and that's just the start. Sounds good? This is only step 1. 2. Starting a digital product business. Now, let's scale that income. Creating digital products like ebooks, courses, or printables is how you make passive income. Think about it. Create something once, sell it over and over again. Platforms like Gumroad or Teachable make it easy to start. Imagine waking up in the morning to find out you made sales while you were sleeping. That's when your hard work starts paying off big time. Picture this. Every sale pushes you closer to that $10,000 goal. You're not just earning money, you're building a lifestyle. 3. Affiliate marketing. Lastly, affiliate marketing. This is where you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. It's simple, scalable, and if done right, incredibly profitable. Start by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. Promote products you already love. With the right audience and strategy, this can quickly become a major income stream. Leverage these opportunities now. Combine these 3 strategies, and you're no longer just a broke student. You're an entrepreneur in the making. Here's the truth. Opportunities like this don't wait around. The world is moving fast, and those who take action will get ahead. Most people will watch this video, feel inspired, and then do nothing. But you're different. You're here because you're ready to make a change. Imagine being in the same place a year from now, still broke, still struggling. But it doesn't have to be that way. What you do today sets the foundation for the rest of your life. The question is, are you going to let this chance slip away? Or are you going to take control and start building your business?
The clock is ticking, and every day you wait is another day you miss out on living the life you deserve. So, what's it going to be? Remember, you don't have to stay broke. The life you want is just a few decisions away. The question is, are you going to take action? If you're ready to take the first step and want even more ideas on how to build a highly profitable business with little to no budget, click the video on your screen right now. It's packed with strategies that will supercharge your journey to success. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for much such videos. See you in the next video.